always, make sure and like and subscribe if you have not already, and drop a comment. Today we're gonna go run by a buddy of mine's house. He actually drives I think it's like a 16 or a 17 f250 PowerStroke 6.7 liter. We're gonna go run by and help him change his fuel filters, or fuel filter and fuel water separator. As most of you know, diesels have a fuel filter and a fuel water separator. Well, we're gonna go bang those out, change them. I don't have Cliff or Kirk with me, which is very surprising. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, where the hell is either one of them? But neither one of them are with me. I'm actually leaving work right now. I'm gonna go drive over there and help him out. But yeah, let's not drag on this intro any longer. See you guys in a minute, and yeah. And before you guys ask, yes, I had to change because obviously I wasn't gonna go work in a light colored shirt like that because that just wouldn't have made sense. But yeah, now it's time to drive there. Alright, we're here, and I do live in South Florida, so we're getting out of the car right now. The camera might get foggy. It might not get foggy, but we'll find out right now. Oh, working on this big beast right here. Actually didn't get foggy. I'm very surprised. Alright guys, so we're gonna get into it really quick. To start, when you get up underneath here, I don't care, that's why I changed my shirt. When you get up underneath here, there's a little bleeder valve. Put a little bucket underneath it and turn the bleeder valve counterclockwise if it'll turn. There we go. Yeah, let's set you guys up on the ground. You're gonna let this drain out. Once you get that loose, obviously I'm not gonna make you guys sit here and watch that drain. I'll get right back to you guys. While that's draining, you could actually reach up to this little plug right here, the sensor, and just push down on the tab and pull it out of here. Let that finish draining. Once that's finished draining, you're going to want to go ahead and put your 32 socket on there and just work it loose. They do give you a fresh O-ring that you can go ahead and replace that one while you're there. So we'll go ahead and pull that one off. And then to remove, the filter, it's just a little normal snap. That's it. That's a little snap ring right there. That goes into the bottom there. This one actually isn't too bad, but he did say the truck was running like crap, so it's most likely the other one that's bad. We're gonna go ahead and drain this in here, get all that out of there, and now we're gonna go ahead and replace the O-ring that's up there and put that right back together, and we'll get to the top one. This is a new O-ring that we're gonna go ahead and install. So the bottom one's done, we're gonna do the top one. And to do the top one, you're just gonna remove this clip here, because it's a little quick disconnect. So you're just gonna squeeze them in and literally just wiggle it out, and it comes right out. Push that off to the side. And do the same thing on this one. So this one I believe you pull. So it's the two tabs you push in at the bottom and then push the green clip up and it comes up, and then you could just wiggle it out and it comes out. And then this, you just turn, and then you're just gonna repeat the process. Put it in, turn it all the way clockwise to pull it out, and then all the way counterclockwise, or counterclockwise to pull it out and clockwise to pull it in. My fault, stuttering as always. But yeah, that's about it. Just gonna go ahead and snap that in, and snap that in, push that down, prime time, and he's good to go.
Button on mine.
No fuel leaks, good to go. There's that's why you buy a POWERSTROKE, for those exact reasons. Goodness gracious, even though it sounds like a fat girl farting, they still scoot and boot. That's all that matters. Alright, so obviously I'm changed, which means everything is good. You guys saw we went and test drove the truck. Truck is running great. It's not sluggish anymore. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any problems or questions on, you know, exactly how the fuel filters came out, how they go back in and all that, make sure and drop a comment right down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you have not already and you would like to, please go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button. And if you don't mind, the little notification bell right below there, somewhere there, hit that too if you don't mind. But yeah, make sure and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys around. mic's messed up and my light's messed up. So
sharing fucking audio.
you know what I'm saying, dog? Oh.
What's up?
Back up. Give me a little bit. Give me a little bit.
All right, no problem. No pressure on this side. I'm trying to hit this bitch.
There we go. You're good.
Come on.
Set it up. You're good. Set it up.
Wait, time out.
Time out.
We're having an issue. I need everybody to back up.
Y'all ready to be deaf? Hey, look at the turnout. Stop playing.
Yo, that turnout is for real, though. Race car, Kev! Mr. RB himself. Mr. RB.